All right, I'd like to review converting fractions to decimals when we're working in the hundredths place. So the first picture I gave you was 600ths. Now remember that the hundredths place is the place second one, or the second place after the decimal. So I can have 0 in the ones, right? We haven't even made one whole rectangle yet. And I don't have any in the tenths place right now either. So I need to put a 0 there to show that there are no tenths. I didn't get to the tenths place yet. So I'm only at 600ths. It's 0.06. Now, when I go to number 2, 2400ths, I put a line in here to make it obvious where there's 10. So this is 10 hundredths. That's also 1/10, right? And here's another 10 hundredths. So that's another 1/10. So right there, I have 0.2, 2 tenths. Now I have 4 more hundredths right here. That's the second place after the decimal. So now I have 0.24, 2 tenths and 4 hundredths. But I can just say that's 24 hundredths, because that's what I've done here. There's 10, 20, and 4 more. When I look at 76 hundredths, I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 hundredths, which is the same thing as 7 tenths. And then I have 6 hundredths to go on top of that, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 0.76. 7 tenths, 6 hundredths. If I look at my area model, I have 5 hundredths here in number 4, and I don't have any that actually fill up the whole tenth. So I have to write down that there are 0 tenths and 5 hundredths, 0.05. Now, for this, for number 5, it's 82. I have 8 tenths, all right? There's 1/10, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths, 5 tenths, 6 tenths, 7 tenths, 8 tenths. So that would be 0.8. And then I have 2 more here that are just hundredths. So 2, that's 0 and 82 hundredths. 0 with 8 tenths and 2 hundredths. Sometimes it's hard to say the thus. There we have number 6, we have 27 hundredths. So that would be 0 with 2 tenths and 7 hundredths, right? 27 hundredths. 47 hundredths would be 0 with 4 tenths and 7 hundredths, 0.47 or 47 hundredths. And the last one, 86 hundredths, would be 0 with 8 tenths and 6 hundredths. Yes? Take a look at your answers and see if they agree with mine. Thank you.